Hi there, students. Ultracrepidarian. Wow, that's a bit of a mouthful. Ultracrepidarian. This is a great word. Can be both an adjective and a noun. Yeah, a noun for a person. So you know life is full of people that are giving opinions and telling you what to do about subjects that they really don't know anything about. Well, this or these people are ultracrepidarians. This is giving an opinion, giving your opinion on something you just have no knowledge about at all. So, yeah, if I start giving opinions on football, that's really going to be ultracrepidarian. Yeah, this is passing judgment about things that are not in your field of knowledge, that are beyond your expertise. Yeah, he's always making ultracrepidarian comments. He's so ultracrepidarian. Yeah, he's giving advice outside his field of knowledge. Yeah, he's talking through his hat. He has absolutely no idea what he's talking about. Yeah, he's bullshitting. Okay, ultracrepidarian, giving opinions about a subject which you've got no special knowledge about. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There's a brilliant poem by Pam Ayres. You should have about asking her husband, and her husband is a total ultracrepidarian. He knows the answer to everything. Yeah, he's incredibly knowledgeable. You've got to do this, but he doesn't know what he's talking about. Okay, let's do the origin, because the origin of this phrase is absolutely great. Let's see, this actually comes from the phrase, shoemaker, stick to thy last. Okay, the last is the shape that the shoemaker puts his shoes on to work with. Okay, let's see, this comes from a book 2,000 years old by Pliny the Elder called Natural History. Yeah, it's a sort of encyclopedia. Anyway, in this he tells a story about a shoemaker, and he goes to talk to an artist about a picture that the artist has painted, and the shoemaker says, look, there's a mistake in the picture. This shoe that you've painted, it's wrong. It's the wrong type of shoe. And the painter's really happy about it, so he changes this. And then the shoemaker starts giving him all sorts of other advice and criticism about the painting. At which point the artist gets angry and says, shoemaker, stick to thy last. Yeah, don't give judgments or opinions about things you don't know about. Just stick to the shoes. Don't go any further. Now, this phrase in Latin is sutor ne ultra crepidam. Ne ultra crepidam. And from this we get ultracrepidarian and ultracrepidarianism. Okay, so it's a great phrase. Formality. I have a feeling if you use this word, a lot of native speakers are not going to know it. I think I'm probably going to give it a 6.5. I think maybe informally, I think I'd probably use the word a bullshitter informally. Yeah. But use it in a semi-formal conversation. You might have to explain it. Semi-formal writing for your exam sounds brilliant, or even something more formal. Okay, so ultracrepidarian, and then ultracrepidarianism. Yeah, this is something that's rife in our society. It's everywhere. Okay, so ultracrepidarian, somebody who's giving opinions about things that they don't know. You don't want to do it like that. You want to do it like this. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ultracrepidarian.